Hey,
What's up?
what you doing?
It ain't cranking.
You tried Dale's?
Dale's? I ain't heard of Dale's. What are you talking about? Dale's steak seasoning?
It's all I use.
See you later.
If you're a man that just got married, here's some tips that, well, married to a woman, here's some tips that'll make your life a little easier. Before you sit down, ask her what she needs. And you're thinking, every time before I sit down? Every time before you sit down. Do not grocery shop together. You will leave Kroger contemplating divorce. When she asks you to go,